Escalating privileges by exploiting client-side vulnerabilities. In this scenario, I have two machines. One machine is Kali Linux operating system and one machine has Windows 7 operating system. Windows 7 machine will work as a victim machine and it has IP address 192.168.159.245, and this Kali machine will work as attacker's machine and it has IP address 192.168.159.246. In this scenario, both machines are working in same local area network. You can see Kali Linux and Windows 7 are both connected with the common switch. Kali Linux is also working as a web server. I will install Apache service in Kali Linux operating system because in this demonstration I will create one Trojan into Kali Linux operating system and I will put Trojan into Apache, and Apache will work as web server, and think attacker will send this web server's link to the victim machine like by chat or by message or by mail, etc., and victim convinced to click on that link, and that link will ask for download this Trojan virus. And when victim click on Trojan and download it and run it, this Windows 7 machine will establish reverse connection to this Kali Linux operating system by this Trojan virus, by this malicious program. Means when victim run this Trojan into Windows 7, this malicious program will establish connection with the attacker's machine, and attacker will notify after establishing session with the Windows 7 operating system or victim machine's operating system. And after establishing session, attacker will take control over the session and try to gather privileges information of the victim machine's username information, and attacker also can take control over the whole operating system. So in this scenario, I will show you how you can create Apache web server in Kali Linux operating system, and how you can start and stop Apache service, and how you can create Trojan using payload service in Kali Linux operating system, and how we can control over the target machine like Windows operating system using meterpreter service in Kali Linux operating system. So let's begin.